the presentation I'm going to make about the medical categories of treatment that are being offered by the Shemer Medical Centr and collaborative hospitals. So now you're going to allow me to make a presentation without showing you the slides, because I think I'm going to be very eloquent enough that you understand. So the medical categories at Shemer Medical Centr and then collaborative hospitals in Israel include oncology, pediatric hematology oncology, cardiology, the heart transplants, pediatric cardiology, as well as the bone marrow transplantation, urology, kidney transplant, orthopedic services, pediatric oncology, orthopedic services, ophthalmology, retinal treatments, plastic surgery for both adults and the pediatric surgery, plastic surgery as well, IVF services, neuropathy, neurological services, neurosurgery, nephrology, vascular surgery, otolaryngology and pediatric otolaryngology, as well as rehabilitation for adults and then children, including the addiction rehabilitation. This package is for medical people and for the health professionals to understand what the list of services that are rendered there. However, I'm going to break them down, like say what was it being offered on oncology treatments. So in oncology treatment units, we have outpatient consultation with the observation by the best oncologists in Israel, and it was very cold. Let me just put this down. And the diagnostic performances as well by the most innovative equipment that is in place. The screening services are being provided as well, which include the framework for early cancer diagnosis programs, as well as the invasive and endoscopic cancer diagnosis. Now, laboratory, which is the cornerstone for Found Factory, laboratory analysis will be done on oncomarkers, as well as the genetic analysis for the presence of the hereditary forms of cancer and chromosomal mutation cytogenetics, as we call it. And the modern cancer medical therapies will be provided, like radiotherapy performed with the aid of innovation techniques, image, and then the diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of complications, as well as the side effects. This is done as well, resulting from the chemotherapy and then radiation. And then palliative treatment is done as well, aimed at reducing the symptoms associated with the cancer, as well as the psychological and the psychosocial support for the patients and the families. This is a package that is rendered for oncology. The treatments for advanced oncology treatment actually also include the chemotherapy, genetic tumor profiling, nanomedicine, cryoablation, robotic surgery, and then hyperthermia, liquid biopsy, intensity modulated radiotherapy, and linear acceleration radiation therapy, as well as a hyperfunctionated radiotherapy. Immunotherapy, the CAR-T therapy, as well as the targeted drug therapy, which also include the photodynamic therapy, the hypothermic intraperitoneal chemotherapy is also done. And then for other oncology treatments options, please, you can contact us. We are easily contacted. With this short presentation, I've highlighted the segments of the treatment of different cancers, like the larynx cancer, the tongue cancer, salivary cancer, oral cancer, the eye cancer, tracheal cancer, breast cancer, gastrointestinal oncology, urologic oncology, as well as other types of cancers as well. I did cluster them quite nicely. Then I'm going to attach with this a comprehensive slide presentation. But however, for more information, we are easily contacted. We also have neuro oncological treatments for brain tumors and the spine cancers. We have got the gynecological oncology for cervical cancer, which is actually teaming high in Lesotho, uterine cancer, ovarian cancer, and vulvar cancer. So the other types of cancer that have been treated here, hematological oncology, mediastinal tumors, lung cancer, skin cancer, the soft tissue, and the sarcomas, lymph nodes, and the bone marrow. So I'm sure anybody wouldn't want to have his next of kin not being provided with this kind of a care. Now, for more information, you can contact me at thinktankent@gmail.com or at +266 5046 8036. Or you can get into our website, israel.shemer.co.il. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.